Hi, this is Jim McNees with Guaranteed Rate Mortgage, and number 8 in my series of video tutorials for the mortgage industry is VA loans. Basically, VA loans are obviously for our service members and veterans. Zero down payment. If you buy a $300,000 house, the loan amount is going to be $300,000 plus a funding fee if that applies. No monthly mortgage insurance on VA loans, none at all. There is a funding fee up front, and that's a little bit complicated to explain in this video, but easily explained on the phone if you give me a call and have questions. You can use VA loans as many times as you like, but normally you can only have one VA loan. You can have two VA loans at one time through a system called bonus entitlement. Too complicated to explain, call me. I'll tell you how bonus entitlement works. In many cases, you can have a VA loan and you get deployed somewhere, come back to a different area. You may be able to rent out your other house and get a new VA loan in the new area, but that's something we would have to discuss on the phone and I could explain. So it is possible, but generally, as a general rule, you can only have one. Veterans and spouses only on loans. You can't have a girlfriend or a family member or a brother, sister, or anybody like that. Have to be married. That's just the way veterans VA loans work. Veterans and spouses only on the loan. We have to go out and get what's called a certificate of eligibility. That will determine the eligibility for the VA loan. Has to happen on every single file. We can assume there is eligibility, but that's the black and white proof that the service member or veteran or surviving spouse of a veteran is eligible. We call the COE. We go through a VA portal. We get that certificate of eligibility. Now, there are other military documentations that we need, but a little too complicated to go into on this brief scenario. Key things: zero down payment. In many cases, we can get our veterans and service members into a loan with no money at all. We get closing cost assistance from the seller and zero down payment. We roll right into that loan with nothing down, zero payment at the table. You can have two VA loans at one time in certain circumstances through bonus entitlement. Veteran and spouses only, and we will ultimately determine your eligibility through a COE, Certificate of Eligibility. Please call me. I live in a huge military area, do lots and lots of VA loans, and we take good care of our veterans and service members, getting them into houses with low rates. Thanks and have a great day.